the first one, I'm going to change my tenths to hundredths. So I have 2 plus 132, or 130, which would be 132. And then I have 10 and 8, which would make 18. I'm going to add 132 and 18. How's everything up? 0, 3, 4, one more would be 5. And then my 1 would be 150 hundredths. You could have also made it 15 tenths if you changed it to tenths by taking a 0 off. Same here. Gonna add zeros. And I'm gonna add 500 160, which is gonna get me 660. And then I'm gonna add 20 more, which is gonna equal 680 hundredths. Or you could have made it into 68 tenths. For this one, I'm going to add all my tenths together. So I have 3 tenths plus 7 tenths, which is 10 tenths. Then I'm going to do my hundredths. So I have 26 hundredths plus 4 hundredths. Which is 30 hundredths. Now I have to combine them. So I have 10 tenths plus 30 hundredths. 10 and 100 aren't the same. So I'm going to cross this 0 off to make it 10. So I have 3 tenths plus 10 tenths. And that would get me 13 tenths. I'm going to scroll up a little. This one's a little different because they didn't change it for you. So now we have 3 and 2 tenths. So I could change that to 32 tenths because there's 3 wholes and 2 extra, so that's 32 tenths. This one would be 15 tenths. And I'm just going to add those together right now because they're right by each other and they're both tenths. So I'm going to have 47 tenths. And then I'm going to add my 4 hundredths. Tenths and hundredths aren't the same, so I'm going to add a 0. And that would equal 474 hundredths. So we have to change this. This would be 11 tenths. This would be 502 hundredths. And then we have 78 hundredths that we didn't have to change. So I'm going to add my hundredths together, which would get me 580 hundredths. And then I have to add my 11 tenths. I'm going to change my tenths to hundredths, and I'm going to get 690 hundredths. For this one, we have 27 tenths plus 2 hundredths and 8. I'm going to add my tenths together first. So 27 plus 8, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So 35 tenths. And then I'm going to have to add my 2 hundredths. Again, we can't do tenths and hundredths, so I have to change my tenths to a hundredth. And that would equal 352 hundredths.